Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit. Don't worry, take a visit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line, you hold your line, you hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry. When you round trip your bag and wonder why. Take your small wins and your even smaller losses. The gang up in here trading like bosses.
We don't worry, no, we don't worry. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making the moves, gotta blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Monday. It is the fun day. False move. Bitcoin's pushing. Can it continue? Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, gang? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're doing well. And I knew Tony was going to come. I can't escape Tony. What is going on, Tony? How you doing, bro? He's telling me to go to bed because I am sick. I definitely got the man flu, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is going on, everybody? Chantel, good morning. Hope your son had a great birthday. Yeah, it was incredible. I mean, I shared some pictures in the Discord. We were out camping, roughing it, tent and all. Got a lot of stories to tell. Got a lot of yeah. It turned out to be a little bit of a disaster. So much for a holiday, but nonetheless, it was nice. I kept to the idea to stay off of the charts for 4 days. So I managed to stay away from the charts until last night or yesterday, and then we're back at it now. And obviously I'm sick, but try to stop me, right? Try to stop me. I can't help myself, guys. So we're here, we're streaming, we're ready to go. This is never financial advice. Don't trade when you're sick. I will be reducing my position size today accordingly. I'll still be looking for the trades, but yeah, it's been rough. I got fever. I got man flu. Fever, massive headache. I'm achy. I'm hot. Then I'm cold. I'm yes. Then I'm no. I'm in. Then I'm out. I'm up when you're down or something like that. That song. Gay. Oh, man. And I'm probably going to think some things are not fun. Some things are funny that really aren't that funny. So be prepared for absolute nonsense coming out of my mouth at times. But we're here for it. We're here for it. We're definitely here for it. What's going on, gang? I should just probably stick to the chat this morning. Water fast, brother. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. What's the gold candle stand for? It's the money bag symbol on the oscillator, my friend. Good morning. What's going on? How you doing, DCA Biddy? Let's go. I mean, when I was away, the gang absolutely slaughtered the charts. Like, caught the longs on Friday, swing longs, swing shorts, whatever, man. It's been a pleasure to watch the actual, all the teachers and the instructors in the family crush it as well. So Bitcoin coming into our golden pocket 786 right now, rejection. Very aggressive move this morning. Looking for a retest of previous lows here. Potential continuation into this order block. We could isolate this candle. Yeah, I'd be looking, in general, I'd be looking down in here. If we're going to hold, we'll see how price goes. VWAP in here, double top in here, up only. So really just, melting face already. Amazing push last week. What a week to go on vacation, eh? So here we are, ready for it, always. And very grateful for you guys still showing up, even when I wasn't showing up. What's going on, Richard? Good to see you. Hell yeah. Balvanek, good morning. How you doing, man? Alexander G. I think you called us the Hotter Gang. Yeah, let's go Hotter Gang. You guys are definitely smoking. I'm only hot because I got a fever. I don't have all the lights on. I can't. The lights hurt my oh fuck that. No way. There's no way. I'm in like the dungeon room now. I got the moody lighting. Is that okay? I don't care. You guys are here for the alpha and the omega and the really good, free range eggs. Alpha, omega. Yeah, this is toppy. Pretty aggressive push here though. So retest of previous lows, continuation up potentially. We do have order blocks in here, so we could be looking in here for potential bounce. NASDAQ making a higher high, but an SFP on like a higher term time frame, right? So I would like NASDAQ to come to 29. And then the ES, when looking at this as well, we can see just bleeding out, right? So the stock market got a good bounce on Friday, but just keeping our eyes peeled here. We can see downtrending momentum here, so I want to keep my eyes on this here. Also want to keep my eyes on the low here. Might need to come and take that. 29 psychological support here. Also sweep of the low. Be aware of that. And same kind of deal here. Downtrending momentum across the board here on the DAC. right? Just take your regression trend tool and pull this across here. So we have that as well. Just so we understand kind of where we're at. We could be going to the bottom of the range here. Yada, yada, yada. Bitcoin pushing up, trapping some traders this morning. A little bit of a push into imbalance. So when we're looking at the chart, we can see that we pushed into this fair value gap up in here. Not taking the highs. Okay, that's why we have the green line over here. But we have pushed up into that imbalance sell wall that we had in the Discord in advance. So potential reversal back down here. However, higher high, higher low, continuation out. Still looking as if it wants to push. Not a big fan of this high previous yearly pivot. Okay, given an advance to the Discord, pink box as well. So that level was given. Even when I was on vacation, I was still spoon feeding. If I could get some spoons in the chat, that would be really cool. We got 183 people. Maybe we could spam the chat for me coming back and showing up even when I'm really sick. That would be really cool. Maybe we could spam some spoons in the chat because you guys all said you missed my, I think they said in the Discord they missed the spoon feeding. So maybe we can go a little spoonerific, get that chat rate up. I think the chat rate right now, where does it say chat rate? Chat rate's at 0, guys. That's some rookie ass numbers. Good mornings. Let's spam. Let's get it going, please. We're here. We're ready to go. You will have nonstop AlexOCrypto until the middle of October. I'm going on a family trip then, but I will bring my trading stuff with me, so you still be stuck with me. Duality, hell yeah. Good to see you. Lorelei, G1, Cadillac Grills, Trez, Tark, how's it going? Shri and Pandy, gang, gang, gang. Cool, Marge. Let's go, baby. There we go. That's better, guys. Thank you for being here. Too many tabs open to chat. I like spoons, man. Spoons are good. Spoons are really good. It's good to be here. Cool Mars, Shrian, Chris, Dependable Print, Solio, Victor Lon. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Travis, Sunny Black, David, Stacy, Drew, Son of the King, Tony Soprano, Being Ian, Fred, Jason. Afternoon. How you doing, brother? Good to see you. JR Prince, Otter Gang, Don't Kill Kenny. You bastard. Martin, how you doing? Good morning, Hoto. Hey, Lou, boy. Good morning, Dusty. How you doing, bro? Good to see you, Triple. Aaron, good morning. Gang, gang, baby. Chop at the top here. Rotation down. Looking to come back into 77.8. Flagging out, so no trade right now. Solana, same deal. Flagging out. Looking to come back into support here. ETH, absolutely melting faces, guys. ETH is ETH is looking good, man. ETH is looking good. ES looks like shite. Same with the NASDAQ. So we'll see where we get to. We'll see. Bitcoin ripping, melting faces. Good times, man. Curtis Hill, how's it going? Crypto Rob from sunny Florida. Let's go, man. I'm going to fly down there. We'll play some golf, bro. 585 gang. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Brew held down the fort. Yeah, Brewberry and Brewberry giving all the signals, setups, Kyle, Trench Juice. I mean, it was a plethora, man. You guys, what did you get? You guys hit so many trades when I was away. FJ, you guys hit didn't he hit like a $45,000 trade or something crazy like that? FJ hit 4,000% on Theta, 2,000% on Theta. I mean, Brewberry hitting a whole bunch as well. Oh my God, so many setups, man. You guys were so spoiled for choice. He hit one on ADA. I can't remember ADA. I think I saw ADA in here. It was orgasmic. Brewberry held it down. Kyle gave a long as well. Trenchy gave the bottom. Trenchy gave... our Discord is insane. I think Trenchy was up 60,000 or something crazy like that from the lows. Something crazy like that. He also gave ENA $4,000 there. We got the bet. I was like, I'm never worried, but I'm always like, man, I don't want like the members to feel like I'm abandoning them. I guess I have issues. But holy smokes, incredible. The best Discord in all of crypto. Do we still have the, I don't know if we still have the discount for the summer discount. Use the code vanilla. We may need to make a new one now that I'm back. We may need to make a new sale. I can check right now if you guys want. Let me see. Coupons. We got two more spots for $20 off. So that's that. If you want $20 off, use the code vanilla. Two more spots. 37 of 39 spots have been filled here. So you two more spots, and then if that fills up, then we'll create another one. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. let's add. Okay, I'll edit it. I'll add another 15 spots. I don't like it though. I'm gonna terminate. We need a new code name. 0. Don't use the code vanilla. It's over. That's over. We're gonna need a new one. You guys tell me, what should the code be? What should the code? Should it be like come insider or something like that? Good to see you, Travis Frog. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Hemdroid, good morning. Sugar is the devil. How's your vacation, bro? It was a tough vacation. If I'm being honest, we'll talk about it. Foosball's the devil. Yeah. Good morning. So, how you doing? Tony Soprano. What do you think for this week? We did go too high. I mean, there's a lot to go over. We can go over that. I went over it with the Discord last night. You're already at the fiat mine? Why are you at the fiat mine already there, Dave? You think that was the bottom? I'm not convinced the bottom's in yet, Crypto Dog. No, I'm not convinced yet. I'll tell you guys when I'm convinced. Certain things have to meet my criteria. You need coffee to cure your cold. That's the one. That's the one. Spam, spam, spam. Oh, man. How about trust me, bro? I got that. That's the setups all the time. Good morning, Heath. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for the spoons. Crypto Hefe, DP Parker. Yeah, the chat rate's at 7 now, so that's not bad. I think we can do a little bit better. Good morning, Jay Becker. Cool Marge. Let's go. Morning, DP Parker. Good to see you guys. Johnny Van, good morning. Simeon, how you doing? Your ideas helped me out greatly last week. Alex, I've been watching for 9 months now. God bless you, bro. I'm glad you're having success, man. Trading is hard, right? Trading is hard. We're getting a big dump now. Gold dropping. Yeah, gold was dropping. Solana rolling over here. Sweep of the lows. Solana coming into order block. Potential bounce here. Solana sweeping the lows here. Rolling over. ETH coming back in here. Keeping an eye on ETH because ETH seems to be outperforming. Oh, there we go. There's some volume. Wow. What was that, guys? Push. I'm long Solana. Stop loss to entry. Up 400. Stopped out. That was the easiest $400 I've ever made in my life. All right. Key level of support. Sweep of the low. Bounce. Continuation up. My God. I just made 400. Okay. It was nice seeing you guys. Hopefully you all have a wonderful day. Just took the scalp long. $400 for the day. I'm sick, so I'm going to head out of here. That was like the easiest trade of my life. Hopefully you all have a wonderful day. It's been fun. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Imagine. Look quick. What's the time? What's the duration of that? 28 seconds. Look at this shit. 28 seconds. 28 seconds, guys. 28 seconds. Fucking hell. AlexOCrypto. What's that volume coming in? Sweep of the low. I like the sweep of the low. I think we can continue now. Bitcoin. Oh, fuck. That's why my wife loves me. I can, 28 seconds. An absolute banger, mate. An absolute banger. Oh. Oh, shit. I'm like sweating underneath this thing. I'm trying to sweat it out right now, guys. Oh, man. Anybody get long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Oh, man. Let me know if you're long. I love the slap of the low. Slap of the low bounce. That's just too easy. I should still be in this, but I put my stop to entry, got stopped out. 28 seconds, $400. Sorry, $397. Damn, that was quick. That was violence. So, like, if we're going to continue up, that was good violence. Wow, that was so... This market's moving, eh? Holy Scheisenhausen. Holy Scheisenhausen. Yeah, I'd be long right now if I was still... Hopefully, some of y'all still in that. What was my entry? 94.56. That's juicy. Happy days. Okay, that was a quickie. Bitcoin pushing here, looking for continuation up. I mean, grabbing all that liquidity, right? V-shaped rejection. V-shaped rejection, slapping down, volume coming in. Push out, continuation here. Not to say that we're going to fly here, but that was definitely order block here. Key level, looking for continuation out. Oh, man, that was the easiest trade of my life. Welcome back, AlexOCrypto. Golf sounds great anytime, bro. I'm going golf shopping today for a new full set. Let's go. That's what happens when you're printing, right, Rob? Rob's just going to go and pick up some. Do you know what's the coolest set, I think? Is that Mizuno. Have you guys seen the custom set? Mizuno. Custom blue set. What is it called? Oh, yeah. Iceberg. Have you seen the iceberg set? Look at the iceberg set. So they're like, oh, so sexy, man. The Mizuno iceberg set. Look at this thing. So like they fade into color depending on the head. Have you guys seen this set? Mizuno pitching wedge through 3-iron, and they fade it all the way. Oh my god, that's golf porn right there, guys. The custom hosels. Guys, I'm spoon feeding. I haven't even been back for 20 minutes, and we're already up $400, man. Thank you guys for smashing that like button, subscribing if you're new. I really appreciate you guys being here. We only got 69 likes. That's hilarious. 69 likes, 234 people here on the live stream. Look at that. I think you guys can do a little bit better than 69. You guys aren't into that. Come on, it's way too much work. But thank you for being here and supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons, subscribe if you are new. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's the deal here. We show everything, we take everything. I try to tell you what I'm doing, but today I'm sick, so I wouldn't follow me too closely. Let's just be real here. I like $400 in like 28 seconds, so that's pretty sweet. How much is that? That's $800 a minute, right? $800 a minute. 800 times 60. All right, we got $48,000 an hour. It's a pretty good wage, guys. Pretty good wage. 8-hour days, 384 a day. 5. Let's only work 5 days a week, you know, and we only make a little 1.2 mil. Oh shit! Look at this thing rip, man. Woo, let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. GG's, guys. You guys better still be in this, man. For me, not for anybody else, but for me. I do appreciate you guys. This is a nice little scalp, 28 seconds. Put a 1 in the chat if you're still long. Good morning, Steve Hickey. Lorelai, good to see you. Spoons, Fever, good morning. Hotter Fever, yeah. Chicken, what's going on, bro? Gates to Profit, Reggie, Josh Parr, French Toaster, Jason, codename Coffee Long. Let's go. Still convinced either, Alex. Yeah, I'm not convinced on that bottom. Did you send me a message, Piper? Watch Wednesday this week. Core PCE, NVIDIA. Oh, it's NVIDIA or NVIDIA. We always have this debate on the channel. PCE and NVIDIA. NVIDIA's going to crush, man. I bought a boat ton of NVIDIA at 200, was it? 30 racks. Down here. 170. That's where I was buying. And 200. 190. Yeah. We good. We Gucci, man. How about that Tesla pump, guys? I told the gang to buy Tesla. Lots of Tesla at 300. Guys, Tesla at 300. How are we all doing on that? Up 20%. Oof. Incredible. How's that SpaceX doing? We bought at 107. We still up 27%. Retest our previous lows, down pre-market. Interesting. Grandma's still not happy that Larry made her buy the top at 220. Look at this push, man. Nice sweep. And that was just pure liquidity grab to bounce here, guys. Bitcoin got some legs. Thanks for sending me that, Piper. Why are all my... Now Trenchy messaged me. Okay. Everybody wants me to feel better. That's nice of them. Tony Soprano wants me to take the day off. It's not happening, bro. I'll take one. What did I take? 1 day off? Yeah, I took 1 day off. That's enough for this year. You know that, Tony. Wayne, how's it going, man? Did your wife make you some nice sandwiches? Okay, so you guys touched grass and ass. I really want to know. You guys let me know in here. How was your trading week last week? How was your trading last week? Okay. Mega down. Mega up. Break even. Other, let me know. All right. Mega up, mega down. Because either you're mega up or mega down. Those kind of pumps will absolutely wreck you normally or make you a gajillionaire. I was up quite a bit. I made $6,000 while I was on vacation. Just chilling. The account's over. It was at 30. The account was at 36 and now it's at 48. So just been doing it. And Titleist oil cans. Yeah, the oil cans are nice, man. I do agree with that. They are nice. Shot it short at 96. Okay. Like I said, this is pretty pumpy right now, so I wouldn't get in the way of that. We still got ones in the chat. You guys are still making tons of money. Good job. Ones. Nice chicken. Good job, bro. If anyone got in on the 28-second trade, your AI or the Fed. I don't think they watch me, Reggie, but I'd be flattered, right? I'd have an affection erection. Pat, what's going on, man? BYDFI. Good to see you, man. Try this Tark DP. Check out the new Ping driver while you're there. Yeah, the Ping driver does look sick. I have a Titleist GT, not a GTS, a GT. GT2. It's an absolute weapon, man. It's pretty sexy. I remind you of Adam Sandler. Happy Hanukkah. Curtis Hill, good to see you. Jake Dorton, how you going? Good to see you, bro. Best for a long time. Let's go, Jack Villian. Mega up. 8K in a day. Let's go. Break even for me. That's okay. Break even is survival in that. Chicken sweet corn today. Let's go. I like some chicken sweet corn. As long as it's not in tuna. Tuna sandwich. Did go out too fast. Could be more like, yeah, but it's okay. All right, medium pecker. Give me that pink box. Pink box. I gave you guys the pink box in the Discord, and I wasn't even here. I even gave you the line. Did it hit it exactly? 79,568. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I wasn't even here on Friday, and I gave you the pink box. Anyways, I was spoon feeding while being away. All right, so follow through, continuation up, reclaim of support level. Nice sweep and go here on Solana, trying to push out. Nice quick little 28-second scalp. GG's, everybody. If you are here, thank you for being here. Congrats on your little long. We made a quick little $400. Happy days. Welcome back. Getting the feet wet. We had some volume come in. A very nice slap and go here. Chicken's still holding. Nice medium pecker. I think it's, give me that Bitcoin pink box. Maybe then you'll be a gigantic pekka. Curtis Hill. The Titleist titanium driver, yeah. Or get the Nike Sasquatch. That thing's cool. If you don't know, now you do. Remember last week I told you Crypto Lifer was thinking the bottom was in, and his rep came and joined the chat. Yeah, that was because BTCC had a scam wick to both sides of the chart, so they came in and tried to make it right for everybody who uses BTCC in my community, which we don't use it. A couple of people did, so we made sure that they got taken care of, hopefully. Love the irons, but ping woods are sweet and pure. Yeah. I want to get a 7 wood. I'm really feeling like I want a 7 wood. Okay, SFP of the high here on Biddy. Look at this follow through, man. Beautiful follow through. Oh yeah. This is strength, man. Look at this from the lows, up almost 2%. Continuing to push. Ethereum does not care about what you said to him. Vitalik Buterin and an absolute banger schlong. SFP of the high, 786 rejection level. Still looking to sweep the high here. Now we got euphoric push, so trying to get above 78.9. Nice push here for Bitcoin. GG's on your long trade, everybody. Hopefully you're all making tons of money. I'm pretty happy right now. Keep showing up. Keep kicking ass. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Damn. This is sexy. Nice push here for Solana. Nice push for Bitcoin. Continuation. Jeez. NASDAQ. NASDAQ rolling over. ES. SFP bounce. Oh. Look at that volatility coming in. This is juicy, man. Stay the hell out of Dodge, man. This is violence. We'll do top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. We got 300 people here on the live stream. We should go through it just so we all have a It's only 8:30. Holy smokes, man. It feels like it's 10 already. I'm so sick. I'm going to take off this hood. Whew. I'm boiling. I'm going to go back to bed after this. I'll do the Discord strategy review later. Oh, man. I'm trying. All right. So let's go through it. We got time here. No trade for me for now. Let's take a look. So let's talk about it. Where are we at? What are we looking for? How are we looking to get there? So targets, volume. Where are we at? How are we looking to get there? So really, we have pushed above our key level of volume. Our support level is around 71. Major support, if we are going to hold, I would be looking at 71-ish. Okay. Just keeping that in mind. If we are going to retest, we are still in a downtrend. So what we need to do, if we want to say the bottom is in, is break this high. Okay. If we close above this high significantly, then I would be like, okay, the bottom's in. We have changed structure on the macro. Okay. That's what marked this bottom. That's what marked that bottom. Yada, yada, yada. Right. So when we finally broke the high here, okay, which did take, funny enough, it took the second candle to do so, guys. Okay, it took the second candle to do so. So we're watching this candle pretty closely if it's going to be anything similar to our previous bottom. Okay, we can do the Etch-a-Sketch. Everybody likes a fractal, right? So we would look for this low to be broken, right? Same kind of deal here. Okay. If we break this high, then okay, we're looking for 1, 2, 3 back in. Discord knows what that is. And then we are looking for a continuation up, right? So we are looking for bounce, SFP. Very simple. On a higher term time frame. Could take months, could take months. Will probably take months. So that's where I'm at. Now, do I believe it's in? Not yet, right? We're coming into September. September is typically bearish. Okay? So understand that. Early in the week here, we can see that, a beautiful push out here for our beautiful market cipher, but we're very overextended on our VWAP here. So nice push out. Money is still red, trying to push back in. We do have bottoming structure in here, however, overextended. So I think in general, we need to see a lower high or a higher low and then potential continuation. Does that mean I'm not prepared for longs and shorts? No, I'm just, you know me, I'm here to scalp this thing either way. And if we get a runner like we have with a lot of these, we take advantage of it. In the Discord, we'll be going over altcoin setups and stuff like that as well to prepare everybody in the community to make lots of money off of this thing. Because this is where we want to, volume's coming back. So we want to be able to take advantage of it as best as possible. 3 days overextended. So when we look in general right here, like, we're naturally looking to come into that 83 pocket of consolidation, okay? And that would bring us into our Fibonacci higher high, highest high to higher low, potentially to come and sweep our 100K and then roll over. So if we are going to get going, I would look for this thing to come up to 100K, come back down, retest the high. This would be the most bullish case in my opinion. And then by year's end, we'd be looking for that follow through here, right? This would be the fake out, get everybody shorting the farm, and then we would go to the moon. Okay. One thing we do need to notice is that right here, we've been talking about this as well in the Discord, there isn't a heck of a lot of volume. So in general, because we moved down so fast and up so fast, we're looking for price to establish some sort of volume in here before heading higher. Okay. Line in the sand. If this, then that, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. If we're looking for pullbacks, we are 100% looking for volume macro support to come in. 71, 66, 63, okay? 66 is kind of the main one, this guy right here, to hold price up. If we can stay above 66, I remain pretty bullish. Doesn't mean we can't retrace. Now the daily overextended, obviously, boom, 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 boom. One of the most euphoric pushes we've had in a long time. 25% weak, looking incredible right now. So a beautiful push up, VWAP resetting, overextended here on our oscillator. However, vertical double bottom push out here. So this is looking really good here on our daily. Everything looks bullish. So if everybody is bullish and everything looks bullish, it doesn't mean that we don't long the market. It just means we need to be aware of the liquidity grabs down below. We need to watch for macro structure changes, for reversals. We need to be aware that, hey, what goes up eventually comes down, but we don't fade the trend, right? We want to ride the trade up as much as possible, make as much money as possible. These are opportunities for us to make lots of money, but understand where we're at so that we can be prepared. If price goes here, then that, right? Hitting our previous pivot point from last year was a target we had in the Discord. Absolute banger of a target. Okay, not a lot of people would have this special box on their charts, but we did, so we were prepared for that. And as we can see, we've pushed up in here. We're looking to come for this high in here. Lots of little sell walls in there for potential. Now we are continuing out, so 8-hour money flow looking good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 4, 3, 2, and 1 really for today. We can see ramping coming in here, which is a good sign. Chop over the weekend, looking strong. Okay, chop over the weekend, holding the low. One sweep down, continuation out. Okay, this thing still looks very bullish right now. Okay, continuation out. So looking to sweep this high here. Potential shorts if we get structure change. Looking to come in and sweep this high here. Potential shorts if we get structure. Okay, otherwise we're looking for longs. Okay, there's no reason to not long this thing. It's higher highs, higher lows, continuation out. We gave the long right in here, retested previous highs, continuation out. Solana, sweep of the lows, continuation out. You guys should all be in the money if you did take that trade this morning. Obviously, I took the trade, got stopped out, made $400. I am sick, so I am not going to overstay my welcome with any trades because I don't get any smarter while I'm in trades, especially when I'm sick. My rule number 3 is to, I only went quarter position size on that. The market's moving so much, I got paid so well, right? So, if you're sick, I've lost $35,000 trading sick in January of this year. Okay, I was up $65,000 in the month of January, and then I gave 35 of it back, and I had to like pull it in because I was trading sick and revenge trading. It was a nasty spiral. Since then, I've done really well. I've deposited over $220,000 in profits this year alone. Of USDT into the bank account, and I show you guys that all the time, and hopefully I can inspire you to try and do the same. So if this then that, 3, 4, 2 trying to push out, 1 trying to push out. Okay, so what are we looking for here for shorts? We're looking for mitigation of highs, right? So we're trying to take out these highs and these highs, trying to have some sort of topping structure and then potential rotation down, but right now, this thing is saying, hey, man, we're going up. Okay, you can clearly see that. You can see the uptrending momentum if you go from like this low to this low kind of deal. Uptrending momentum, holding strong, trying to push out. So no reason to fade it. We got long. Hopefully you all got long. Put ones in the chat if you're long. Hopefully you're all making tons of money. And thank you so much for being here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again, which is the hardest thing. But, you know, it's nice to see volume come in. We're blessed to have volume. If we don't remember the last 3 weeks before this volume, well, I suggest you go watch some paint dry. So just happy to see this thing moving. Volatility is vitality, right? So we like life in the markets, and we're very grateful for the price moving around. 1 hour looked like it wants to continue out. 24 continuation out, overextended to the upside. 12-minute pig nipples overextended to the upside here. So here's our sweep. Still don't fade this thing. Still looks really strong. Higher highs, higher lows for Solana, looking good as well. NASDAQ, volatile, looking to come back down potentially to the lows of the range this morning on market open. ES looking to hold here. Sweep of the low, bounce, continuation out. Can it get going? SpaceX opening up bearishly this morning. We can see pre-market down 2%. Tesla pre-market down. Tesla had a good run on Friday. Micron down pre-market as well. Marvell. Okay, so everything opening up a little bit negatively this morning, which is fine. How's Google? Yeah, down. Nvidia. Nvidia's holding 215, which is a good sign. Robinhood looking good. MSTR looking really good here. Yeah. Okay. So bullish on Robinhood and do I have Coinbase in here? Coinbase looking good too. Yeah, big gap up, continuation out here. Big push for Coinbase. Nice. Yeah, so crypto looking good. SpaceX flat. Tesla flat. AI down a bit. Google down a bit, but everything else looking really, really fancy and really strong. TSM, ASML, yeah. Okay. So that's good. ETH looking really strong right now, pushing out, holding this. ETH on a higher term time frame looks absolutely great right now. I said 1925 to 2300. That move has happened. So beautiful push up 30% here off of the lows. Same with Solana. Solana's up, whatever. I know you guys love how Etch-a-Sketch my charts are. My Etch-a-Sketch just made me $400. Just remember that. We do have a sweep of the high here on Solana. Interesting, but I mean, Solana. If Solana gets going, man, it's over. If Solana gets above 115, it's over. Solana's going back to all-time highs. Yeah. Because we're looking, volume-wise, we're looking for Solana to get up into, yeah, right here, 120. It's going to be macro resistance. And then we have massive support at 85. So any pullback to 85, we should be looking to generally long. We'll isolate price like that. But it's got a pretty clear path all the way up to 123. So juicy, man. So juicy. And we bought at $64, man. So average buy price is about 70, 73. So, and I put $100,000 on Solana. We're up 40% on that. So you guys can do the math. Right? All right. Free Money Monday. Let's go, baby. Good morning, everybody. The only requirement here is a good morning. 360 people here on the live stream. If you guys wouldn't mind saying good morning, like and subscribing, pressing that button. Hybrids are nice. Yeah, hybrids are nice, but is that your own oscillator? Yeah. Yeah, that's my own oscillator. I use Market Cipher, and this one I created. This one's mainly just for scalping. You get it if you join the Discord. You get both. You get the Lord Otter one, and then you get the oscillator as well if you join the Discord. Yeah, I'm sick. Hello, I'm from India. Hi, do you make thumbnails? I did great this week, then got too cocky. Yeah. What's going on, French Toaster? You still have to give me your TRC 20 for the giveaway, bro. You have a ticket open here, and you did not give me your TRC 20 for the giveaway you won. Some guy at P-Mall said short. You listen to a guy at P-Mall? Oh, man. P-Mall. Fucking P-Mall. Bro, I got me Self-Vice VGP03 Zero Twist Putter. Is it nice? I got a Scotty Newport 2, and I got a Lab OZI. Yeah, I got a lab. I got a lab putter. Yeah, I'm that guy. You made 3K Saturday, and Sunday you lost 2K, so you're up a K. That's great, man. That's great. Good work. Yeah, I I had to, sizing down is important. I've sized down today because I'm sick. Look at this. I longed right here. My God, that's up 2% already to start the day. Incredible work, guys. So far, so good. I can't help it. We made $400 in 28 seconds this morning. Awesome. And now it's just melting face. I wish I didn't move my stop loss, but I'm sick, so I give myself a break today. Look at this thing. We all long, everybody. Nice push here for Solana. Continuation up. Bitcoin continuation up. No signs in stopping here. Taking that liquidity, so that's done. NQ continuing to push here. ES as well. Sweep and go. Trying to push out. Bitcoin dominance rising right now. This is good. All right, so we're looking for, yeah. Okay. No structure break here on our, okay, interesting. Structure break on the daily? No. You guys all buy Hyperliquid? Holy smokes, Hyperliquid all-time highs. Extension levels. Look at that. Insane. Link. XRP. Oof, look at that trendline break, man. Damn. Insanity. Beautiful. Tia. Fartcoin. Pengu. Virtual. Look at that wick on virtual. That is filthy. Aerodrome up 8% today, guys. Jeez. Super up 8% today. Crow, Ondo, Render, Fet, Tau, all pumping. AIs, meme coins, Cock in you, pumping. Cock in you. Man, these shit coins. I'm dying, guys. Oh my God. Why am I so sick? Nice push for Biddy here. Continuation out. Solana looking strong as well. Thank you everybody for being here. 370 people. Holy smokes. 126 likes. Continuation up here. Sweep and go. Long given from down here. Continuation out. GG's everybody. I mean, GG's, you guys. GG's on the longs. Good work. Good morning, MTB. How you doing, F13? Good morning. Dame, good morning. Consequence, good morning. Good to see you. Danger, Ekozi. Hope you feel better. Thanks, bro. Look at this, man. What a push. Let's go, baby. Coming up for that pivot. Got longs. Longs, everybody long dong silver this thing. Good morning, Kay. Wait for the Black Friday deal. The man flu is the worst of flus, yeah. I'm like hot and cold. And do you play Dota? I don't have time for video games. I won't even be playing GTA. What is it, 7 or 6? You join the Discord, you get the oscillator. If you're in the Discord, you just go over to the oscillator and put your trading view information in there, and I hook it up, man. Nice push here. Continuation out. Under Lord Otter indicators, you see, they put their UID and their trading view. Koopa Loop, he did it here, so I'll take his trading view and I will add him to the oscillators. Manage access, add new user. There you go. And over here, you see that? It's magic, man. Then I give you a little a little heart, and you know you got it. You see, I can do the work while we just hang out here, but we want to trade, right? So I'll do that later. Bitcoin SFP rejection right now. Coming back in, up only trading. 3 minute overextended, retest of previous highs, continuation up. No order block down here. We're getting splooshy signs on the Bitcoin. Overextended. Except we're against trend here, guys, so I'll be patient on that signal here on the oscillator. Into resistance for Solana. Higher high, pushing out, sweep of the highs, rotation down. ETH on a ripper this morning. SpaceX down. Almost 9 o'clock, guys. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. We'll see where we get to here. One trade today. Good follow through for Solana. We've done top-down analysis. If you do want to go and check that, just scroll back in the video and watch it there. Good morning, and Capital. Black Friday deal, yeah. I think we'll mix it up, the Black Friday deal, because a bunch of members will cancel their membership and try to re-sign up on Black Friday, which is smart, but Cast long. I lost 5K, but I don't know where it went. Is it really lost? Yo, Alex, big fan. You can send me an email, Andre. There's an email down below. Decent Crypto, Alan, good to see you. D Oz, how you guys doing, man? Balvinek. I need to learn better risk management. Yeah, I mean, you're up $1,000, right? Bless you, man. How you doing, MTB? Hopefully you're having a good day, bro. Got into hype at 62. GG's, David. Pardon me, guys. Thank you, Alexander G. David, Dusty, Imran, how you doing, man? Closed way too long. Nice push here. If you join the Discord, you get 4 days off to play GTA. Just made 11K in 8 minutes. Any gold golf clubs? Let's go, Rob. Did you get long, Rob? Did you miss me, bro? I feel like I just work for Rob. Rob just prints money all day. Do you happen to have any connection or deal code for Market Cipher? I do have a code for a Face is a good friend of mine. I mean, we're in a fantasy football league and everything, and he sponsored this channel. I have the regular 10% off code, but I would wait for a better deal. Face will, maybe Labor Day, Face will have a deal for you guys. But yeah, I wouldn't. We were sponsored by Market Cipher, and we're still good friends with Face. He took me out for we were playing blackjack in Vegas. I made $3,500. Face was crushing it. Stupid. So good. I don't even know how to play blackjack. I was just like, hit me, split them. I don't fucking know what I was doing, but I made 3 racks. Face was coaching me on blackjack. It was hilarious. Good times, man. He's good shit. KR, good to see you, Crypto Dog. 24-minute clear Wyckoff. Is this our spring coming up then? Crypto Dog, are we springing up here? Yeah, I see you. Or unless you're looking at this as your spring. It's being able to identify the spring, which is where you make money. If we invert this, though, if we invert this, it could be the opposite, right? That's the thing you got to watch for. So you have this here. Here's your Wyckoff, right? And if this springs out here, that's your opposite, right? Accumulation pattern or distribution pattern, right? So you got to watch. I mean, I don't trade it, but I'm very aware of it. Because it works. High coffee. High coffee. I mean, all you want is confirmation, right? If you get reversal, if you come up in here and you slap and you get reversal structure, then you're short. And you can take this down to grab this liquidity very simply, right? If this, then that. Hovering. Hovercrafting. So we're, you know, outside portalet, right? Hovercrafting at the EDM festival. Trying not to get poop on our bum. Doing the hovercraft right here at the high. We'll see if it does want to push through or if we got to come back and retrace right now. So outhouse, hovercrafting. We'll see if it continues through. Thank you guys for being here. 400 people here on the live stream. How many people here over on X? Like to say hi to you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. We're here live every morning. Got 30, 40 people over on X. What's going on? Good morning, guys. Thank you for following me over on X. I don't know if X is any better than YouTube. I just started streaming over there, so happy to be here. I'm late today. Hope you had a good time camping. Yeah, we longed Solana right here for 400 bucks in 28 seconds. So we took the long here with everyone. Some people are still in it. I am out. 28-second trade, just a very violent slap down into a buy level. 28 seconds here on the trade this morning. If you're new here, we scalp every single day. Depending on the price action, I'll take Bitcoin or Solana. Solana took the low into our buy level, push out. I got long here. TP1 came back, stopped me out. Okay, happy days. I am sick, so I'm not trying to overtrade today. But yeah, good fun, man. Really good fun. Coming back down here, a little rotation down here. This is a good sign of continuation. As long as we can come down, we'd be looking in here generally. We don't have an order block except for right here, which I'm not very keen on. We'd have to go, yeah, we'd have to look 2 minute, which is, we're splitting hairs in here, but we're looking for this to hold here. See if this holds as we come back down here. Solana rotation down, sweep of the low, imbalance in here, 2 minute order block here, trying to defend the lows here, sweeping down, overextended, yeah, bearish divergence in here, watching that. 12-minute overextended too. Very violent price action this morning, so I want to pick our spots as best as possible. Market cipher is overextended here, so just waiting here. Looks like we need to come a bit lower in my opinion. Swing low to swing high. We put our golden pocket generally over here, so we would be looking at these lows to be defended in here. We would go swing low to swing high here. Yeah, try to include that, so a little slap into that level there would be ideal. And then trying to hold order block, retest to previous highs, continuation up here. VWAP's creeping now, so we're looking at liquidity of the lows as well and follow through. So far so good. Great long this morning for everybody. Good work. We'll see if we do follow through here. Trying to take the high. We want to see what happens after we take the high. So take the high, and we'll see where we get to. Nice push up only this morning, 9:03. Thank you everybody for being here. I'm gonna go get some more coffee. We got 400 people in here, and I need to chuck a piss and get some more coffee. I think the Advil's kicking in a little bit right now. We only have 150 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, that'd be really kind of you. I would appreciate that. And we'll see if we can find some more trades today, guys. God bless. Don't be a dick for a tick.
Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on a runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week. Get out your ranking chariot and execute the plan. Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting, homie acting like a clown. When the pink box prints, you ride the money down. The market maker algorithms wanna see you break. So take the easy money that is yours to take. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Why?
Alrighty. My son says that now. He goes, alrighty. I'm trying to teach him, alrighty then. You know? I can't believe we lose 60 people. 60 people drop off. What a bunch of impatient people. Holy smokes. 60. Just poof, gone. Always thought maybe I should just like stay on, but I don't. 407 to 319 people. That's a lot more than that. That's 80, 87. Jeez. People got the patience of a. It's too much TikTok, man. These guys are all just swiping there looking at booty cheeks, man. You know, the people we don't want on our stream. Their whole feed. They wouldn't let their wife go through their feed on TikTok. We know that. That's why they probably don't have a wife. Guaranteed. All right. Follow through continuation. Tweezer bottom holding here. Doji engulfing, trying to continue up. Okay. A little bit of bearish CVD here. Watching that. Continuation up. This thing has legs this morning, guys. We could see 80,000 today, guys. Holy smokes. Psychological $80,000. Can we see it? Pretty wild. Thank you everybody for being here. I am sick today. I'm very sick. So thank you for being here and hanging out here. Smashing like buttons. All that good stuff. Rob got 1,500 from the giveaway. Yeah, I think Rob was cleaning up on that too. What's going on, Mr. Kemp? How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Wait until Black Friday, yeah, for Market Cipher. No trade at the red zone. That's a pink box, my friend. It's the only pink box that does pay you. If you're new here, welcome. It's the pink box, man. You will find out how luscious and beautiful a pink box is. Just so you're aware. So welcome. I watched your orb video. Thanks for the breakdown, Alex. You're welcome, man. I figured I'd do some. I mean, there's more to that strategy that we teach in the Discord, but that's like the basics of it. So I wanted to make sure that everybody kind of understands that. So if they wonder what orb is when they come into the chat, they can understand how we trade it and how we look to trade it on a daily basis. I'm looking to short Solana at 97. Okay. You want to see the high taken? I don't know, man. Solana will do this to you. Right now, I wouldn't. This is coiling, in my opinion, all of this. So I would not. We got long here. I mean, I wish I was still in this baby, but not when ETH is up 2%, man. Does ETH look like it's going to slow down right now? No, so I would expect others to follow suit. We'll see Bitcoin ripping as well. ETH ripping. So one trade this morning. $400 in 28 seconds. Happy days. So we'll see what we get to. We got 18 minutes till market opens. I did do the giveaway too on Friday's giveaway. I gave the $2,000 away. The winners were posted. So if you are signed up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, we do $5,000 worth of giveaways every single week. 7,000 if you're in the Discord. But yeah, if you sign up with the Bitunix link, you get VIP 3. You get entered raffles into the $5,000 giveaway every live Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You support the channel, so I do appreciate you guys using the Bitunix link pinned in the comments. Thank you for using that. You can also join the Discord, all of that. I don't know how to sell anything today, guys. I'm not a salesman. We're here to take trades and hopefully help you guys navigate these charts on a daily basis. That's it. I don't got it in me today. I'm a little bit sick of it's a great exchange. So I use the exchange. I find the liquidity good. All these exchanges going down, and Bitunix has been good to me and good to my community. VIP 3s for everyone and all that stuff. So It will take the liquidity above. Okay. What's going on, YV? Wagon, good morning. How you doing, Lotus Style? Thank you for being here. And thank you guys for smashing likes and subscribing and all that good stuff. 370 people here. More coffee sounds like the move. Yeah. Revenge trading. Yeah. Yeah, that'll happen. I'm a dick for a tick. One cider long. One cider song. There is a cider song. It's rated R. Jesse, good to see you, bro. How you doing, Marius? Hope your weekend camping was nice. It was brutal. We got there in like 4 hours. Everything went to plan. My son was a little bit sick before we left, okay? And then my son was really sick by the time we got there. Let me turn on the lights here. Oh, man. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Here we go. So we got there. We had a beautiful day. We set up the tent. And then there was like fucking hurricane winds, okay? So the tent where we went camping, okay, the tent was set up. We have a nice, like, big-ass tent. It was so windy that this part of the tent was collapsing. So it was like, it was doing the Helen Keller up here. So it was folding over while my son's trying to nap. So I had to take my vehicle, my 4Runner, and park it behind the tent to block the wind. Okay. It was a disaster. The wind was brutal. Okay, coming in. So first night was rough. Then the next day was like 35 degrees. And my son was really sick. But it was also my son's birthday, right? So we had cake and yada, yada, yada. Went for a nice walk. But then he was really sick. And then trying to get a 2-year-old down for a nap in 35-degree weather in a tent is effing impossible. So I ended up having to drive in circles, trying to get him to sleep in the car. He didn't sleep well. Then I started feeling sick. And then then by the end of the evening, and it was clear out, but we were camping northwest Alberta near Jasper. And there's huge forest fires in BC. Okay. Coming down, sweeping the lows right now. Double top here. 14 minutes till market open. This is pretty bearish here. We could come back down into these lows. Still waiting here, no trade. Sweep of the lows here on Biddy. Order block tap, continuation up potentially here. No trade, still waiting. So come 9 o'clock, and it gets dark around 10. The air quality was horrible. My son was sick. I was starting to get sick. So we decided to pack it all up and come home. So we drove 4 hours home. We got home at 1 in the morning. And then yesterday we just chilled out. So it wasn't the best trip. Let's put it that way. It was a lot. And now I woke. Last night I was feeling feverish, and then I woke up this morning and I'm really sick. So we got some great photos and had some good times. I can show you guys some photos. Let me see ones that don't have my son in them so that I can share them with you guys. It's not like it wasn't a beautiful trip. It just it was just a lot. Me and my son were playing like hide and seek in the bushes. Good fun. What else do we got here? It was gorgeous. My wife and my son. Let me see what other pictures I have. My son and I setting up the tent. Here, I'll share these ones with you guys so you guys can see. I'll put them in the Discord here. can do this. We got 10 minutes till market opens here. Yeah, it would have been a lot better. That's Athabasca Falls. Absolutely gorgeous. My son and I playing hide and go seek in the bushes. My son and I going for walks on the trails. Sundown. My wife and my son. Athabasca River. My son and I setting up the tent. Beautiful time. Beautiful time. Yeah, it's really nice. But obviously circumstances and being sick and all that stuff is it was hard. It was hard, but you know, it happens. My mouse keeps glitching out here. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta stop and restart it. Looks amazing, yeah. You have pretty big forearms. That's being a carpenter for 15 years, man. They're pretty ridiculous. Not from jerking off. Are they big? I got like this weird this weird bubble here. That's the carpenter forearm right there. Cool. What about the charts though? Oh, we took one long this morning. We're still waiting here for market open. We got 10 minutes right now, sweeping back, looking for a liquidity sweep in here in reversal structure. No trade right now. Yeah, it was beautiful. Collecting stories and memories, right? That's it. That's it. When enter? Do you make thumbnails too? Good morning, Neo. Good morning, Commando. Good morning. Yeah, I'm very blessed to have my family. My wife is amazing. My son is incredible. Oh, righty then. No problem, Wagon. Glad you're enjoying it. You can vibe code thumbnail indicators. Perfect, man. Are they going to get me more clicks? You shorted Soul. You got double top here, rotation down, bearish divergence. Potential to roll over. I would like to see this mitigated. So for looking for shorts on Soul, I would like this more. Taking out this tweezer bottom. Otherwise, we're holding support here and looking to rotate up into the high, which we haven't taken out yet. So I'd be aware of the high here. We could be looking for rotation back and continuation up. Very violent this morning where we managed to get long. So we'll see what else we get coming into this morning. NASDAQ, consolidation, ES as well. Yeah, so SPY this morning expecting not much of a gap. We do have gap below. I haven't added it here. All right, so gap below here on SPY. Gap above, still valid. Yeah, so very choppy for the SPY as of recent. There, unplug my mouse so we have some full movement. NQ here. SpaceX down pre-market, Tesla down pre-market, Micron down pre-market. Robinhood break even. MSTR up pre-market. Coinbase up pre-market. Microsoft, Meta, yeah, all looking a little bit weak coming in. So everything looking weak except for basically things to do with crypto. Google down as well. Looking for Google to hold 335. Looking to buy Google around 330. We'll see. Pink box tap, rotation down here, still waiting. No trade. One trade this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. We caught the Solana slap and up. We got out like literally right here. A bunch of y'all held it. GG's on that trade. And we'll see where we get to this morning. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. We did a longer top-down analysis about an hour ago. So if you want to go and check that out, just rewind the stream. Now we'll see where we get to today. Looking for support to come in this box here. Come market open. Let me just see where our fibs are. Impulse out. Let's go from impulse here to high. That works out nicely. Let's extend that down a little bit here. Retest to previous highs. Volume within this area. Yeah, that makes sense. Shelf here. Okay. Let's see where we get to this morning. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream, supporting the channel, smashing like buttons, hanging out here. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking trades, showing trades, navigating these charts. Never easy. Right now, Bitcoin just hovercrafting up at the highs. Bear divs in here. Rotation down, looking to come into here and find support. Our first retest. We'd be looking here. Solana trying to defend these highs up here. Double top. Overextended in my opinion. Look to come back down into 95. Great long this morning. We'll see where we get to. I think this is, it's very trappy. Very trappy. Trying to entice buyers up at the highs, which is always a bit of a gong show. So we wait. We wait. That's what we do here. Trading is waiting. Can I say what will happen? We will take a leg down from here. You need to long. And we will take a wick to 82. All right. Sweet, man. Take a look at XRP. XRP needs to reclaim 155. Major resistance here. If XRP gets above 155, you're looking to long. If not, you're looking to come back down to 130. Trying to hold here. Keep it simple. Higher highs, higher lows. Looking to come into 155. Liquidity of the highs. So looking for this to get up into here. Then we'll see. Very similar to Bitcoin. Otherwise, you're consolidating. You've broken the high here, so you're looking for retest continuation up into these highs. Ascending triangle. Could come back and then go. But looking to get above 155 for XRP. Very simple. East looking really good right now. Uptrending momentum, strength in the move. Clear strengths. Vitalik Buterin, absolutely crushing it. 2 minutes till market opens. Sound level so low. I can't hear much. I'm not talking loud, that's why. I can turn up my mic if you want. Is that better? How's that? Is that better? I'm not here to yell at the microphone today. That should be a bit better. I just don't want it to clip on you guys. No problem, Richard. Thanks for being here, bro. I think one manipulation move will come. Yeah. I mean, they've built liquidity this whole morning. They've gotten everybody to FOMO long. We took a good long, but now in general, we're overextended. This would be like fifth wave scalping wise. We would look for this to be overextended in ABC corrective and then continuation out. Not that I'm an Elliott wave theorist, but this move here has been a little bit too juicy. So I would look for this to come back and then we get going if we're going to continue and look to come into this high here. Psychological level 80,000. We also have 80,800 and then we have major resistance up top here of the high 83,600. Yeah. 83,600 here. So definitely interested up here. a bit sloppy here. Let me get rid of that. It's just liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Yeah, and let me get rid of that guy so we know where the high is. Yeah. Okay. We're prepared. That's all we can be, right? Right now, I think we're overextended, looking to come back and grab some of these guys in here, late longs. We've taken the long, we've paid ourselves. Now we see what else the market will bring us. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 500 people here on the live stream. We're here live. Thank you guys for being here. Supporting the channel. One trade today. Make sure you guys get here early. We took that slap down for a long. Calling the long here on Solana for everybody. Everybody got paid this morning who took it. We're taking the trades. We show the trades every single day. Let's see where we get to today. Hopefully we have a good market open. So gap down here on SPY. Can we get going? Gap down. Looking to rotate down into this gap that we pushed out here on Thursday. We'll see if we do rotate into that. Solana sweeping the lows. Trying to bounce. Sweeping the lows, coming into order block here. Tap. Bitcoin pretty flat. Okay. Ethereum coming back down. Look for ETH to come back into the support level at 424.65. Bitcoin holding. Solana slapping. Continuation down. Looking for Solana to come into 95.2. Holding here. NASDAQ. Big dump. NASDAQ slapping down. Coming down. Grabbing this liquidity out of this low. Is that sufficient, or do we need to come for the range lows? We may need to come down. 29,000 would be ideal. Coming into this area here for NASDAQ would be ideal in my opinion. Bitcoin flat. Solana. Nice slap. May continue up here. Just patience right now. Ethereum continuation up. Looking strong. Still holding. Bitcoin chop at the top. No trade. Solana. Yeah, good slap on Solana. SPY. Continuing to roll over here. Nice gap fill right now. So far so good. We'll see how we react. Maybe we fill the gap in here and then we continue and we find some bottoming structure coming into this morning. Keeping an eye on the SPY. Bitcoin trying to push out here. We can see a bit of rounding. Yeah. Holding, rotation down. Looking to come into this area here. Retest a previous high. See how it reacts. Solana still rolling over. A little bit of weakness here on Solana. NASDAQ sweeping the lows. So NASDAQ's done a job. Liquidity has been taken out of the DAQ. Do we bounce out of here? Bitcoin still flat. Solana sweeping the lows as well. NASDAQ trying to hold the lows. SPY pushing back here. Not bad. NASDAQ sweep and go. Solana trying to push back here. Can it get going? Can it get going? Bitcoin pretty flat this morning, so it doesn't look like buyers are stepping up in this area. Look for a rotation down here. Potential longs in this area down here. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Rotation down. Solana losing the lows. Losing key level of support here. Looking to come back down into 95.2. SPY. NASDAQ still looks weak here. Google looking weak. SpaceX down 1%. Slap and go. Tesla coming back, retesting that 350 area. All right, retest in there. Bitcoin rolling over. Bitcoin trying to hold these highs into this area here. Potential long opportunity if we do get a nice reaction on price action within this area. Solana continuation down here. Weakness, bearish divergence, rotation. Patience right now. ETH coming back in here. Trying to defend this low on ETH. Solana coming back down into our buy level potentially here. Solana coming back into our level here. No trade. Still waiting. Pretty aggressive rollover here. Don't want to touch it. Bitcoin rolling over. Trying to defend here. No trade. Can it hold? Tesla alert going off. Solana trying to hold here. Still no trade. Nice push here on Solana. Holding the low. ETH looks okay here. I don't trade ETH. I just it's been outperforming today, so I'm watching it pretty closely. Nice push and go here. Bitcoin holding the high. Still waiting here, looking a little bit dumpy here. NASDAQ coming down into that buy level here. NASDAQ coming into the key level for this morning. Looking for the buys in here. Can it hold? SPY still rotating down, filling the gap. Decent. Bitcoin slap and go. Try to push back here. Retest our previous lows. Continuation up here. Nice push. Can it continue? Nice push here for Bitcoin. Nice push here for Solana into our buy level. Still no trade. Still waiting. Showing the trades. Taking the trades, guys. No trade right now. Still waiting. Just the way we've rolled over here, I'm going to be a little bit more patient. We're up 400 today, so I don't want to overtrade, especially when I'm sick. Trying to hold here. NASDAQ slapping that 2984 area, key level of support. SPY still looks weak. SPY still looks weak. Ethereum's looking better here, trying to retest lows. Potential rollover though, so patience right now. Feels like a trap right now. Feels like a trap. Rotation down. Overextended here. No buyers stepping up. Looking like it wants to push too. Yeah, trying to push out here. Trying to push out here on Bitcoin. Still no trade. Ones in the chats if you're long. Twos in the chat if you're short. Let me know, guys. Ones and twos. Threes in the chat if you're sitting on the hands. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out. God bless you guys. And thank you for supporting the channel. Smashing those like buttons and subscribing if you're new. Good times. Still trying to hold here. NASDAQ bouncing. Taking the low, bouncing. This is not bad for the DAC. SPY's trying to hold on here as well. I'd like to see a flush here on Solana and on Bitcoin. I'd like to see a little flush into this area down here. Looking for longs here. If we're looking for them, this would be what I would be looking for here. Just waiting though. Solana, good candles here. Two good candles. Got 2 minutes on this candle. Still waiting. See how this candle prints here. A nice sweep down and then retest halfway down the candle. Push back. Could go here. So you come back down, you sweep, you print a hammer candle, and you try to push back up into the lows here. Still waiting for that. Still got a minute and a half on this candle. This could be bullish here though. Yeah, 3 minute overextended on market cipher, 5 minute trigger wave, trying to push back here. Money flow still green. Biddy trying to hold here too. Solana looking better. Another sweep and go here potentially on Solana. Still no trade, still waiting. 1 minute left on this candle here. Biddy's still looking weak here. Just consolidation, continuation down here. So a little wait. NASDAQ failing to push, rotation down. SPY still needs to fill this gap down here. So still looking for that fill. Phil Nye, the science guy. ETH looks okay here. 30 seconds on this candle. Looking for a flush here on Bitcoin. Flush into this area down into here. And see how we react. Ones and twos in the chat. What do we got here? Ones, twos, threes, hands, hands, hands. One building along, says Rob. Okay. You're building along at the highs. Interesting. Okay. Me too, Hamdroid. Good to see you, Bruce. Don't long now. Wait. Yeah, we're waiting. Threes, threes, threes. Okay. Bitcoin going to zero. Nice bounce of previous highs. Previous highs bounce. Previous highs. Yeah. Order block down below. Potentially. This looks a little bit weak right now. Coming into VWAP here as well. Solana, where's VWAP? Good no trade here. Good patience, waiting for that candle. Biddy showing weakness here. Nasdaq coming down to the buy area in here, so wanting to see this defended on the DAC. The SPY still hasn't taken that area. ETH trying to battle here. Bearish engulfing continuation, bearish engulfing continuation down. So rotation down right now. Still no sign of strength here. Still waiting. Solana choppy at the bottom here. Dump it. Looking for a dump here. For a slap. Nice rotation down here on Biddy. Nice little rotation here, down 1% here from the highs. Good warning signs on the oscillator here for shorts. Water symbols. Solana trying to hold here. SPY trying to hold here. ETH needs to come lower. ETH's coming to 24.60. I mean, Solana's coming down here. Back into the range. Bitcoin trying to hold these lows here. Still no trade. Good patience right now. Congrats on the shorts, guys, if you took them. 200 likes. Thank you guys for the 200 likes. I do appreciate the likes, guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Hopefully we can help you guys navigate these charts on a daily basis. It's a privilege to serve. Hopefully we can help you guys make a boat shit ton of money. That's why we're here. Defending the lows, we can see a little bit of exhaustion in the lows here. Not completely ready yet, but still defending the lows. Bitcoin continuing to bleed out here. Okay. Late longs, like we said this morning, right? So we got the trade this morning. Hopefully you all took profit. Round trip back in. Okay, coming back. Yeah, this is all bearish here. No reason to long here, guys. Looking for rotation down. Let's get rid of the box here. Could be looking at this order block down in here on Biddy, but I prefer VWAP. Nice dump. Nice dump. See how Biddy reacts down here. That's a great dump this morning, guys. Looking lower for Solana. Look for a reaction here. Nasdaq still coming down. No trade here, still waiting. Biddy trying to bounce. Uptrending momentum, trying to bounce. No trades, still waiting. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Still waiting here. ETH still bleeding out here. Bitcoin trying to hold this trend line here. I don't trade just based off of trend lines. We have tapped the order block down low here. This is just very aggressive here, so no reason for me to long just yet. Still waiting. Solana's going to come down. I'm looking for this order block in here potentially. We have already tapped that, trying to hold and defend here. Now if we can get a good reaction on Biddy here, slap and go, I'm down to take the long. If we can come down and slap VWAP, I'd be down to long this thing. Potentially Solana. Solana does look like it wants to bounce. Solana potentially coming back down, holding 94.30. Bitcoin rotating down here. So don't want to get caught trying to long this thing. But I do prefer longs down here if we are going to get long. Be a sweep of the low, continuation out. Here we go. Orb is in, everybody. Coming down here, looking for that VWAP slap potentially, depending on price action, how it works here. Coming down. Bitcoin rolling over. Great short, everybody, this morning. Orb low. GG's in the chat for all you guys who are short. GG's. Took double top SFP. No problem, Dylan. God bless you, bro. I tickled that pink box, man. That pink box. The only pink box that pays you, baby. The only pink box that pays you. Got to see violence here. We want to see a flush. That's what we want to see. Flush and bounce, right? Otherwise, no trade. Flush. Flush and bounce. No bounce. Try to bounce. Can it bounce? I'm long. I'll take that off there if we push. Stop to entry. I'm going to close at 75% there. Stop to entry, let it run. Up 860. Good patience, everybody. Great fucking trade, guys. Good patience, everybody. 2G's in the chat. Can I get some otters in the chat? Good patience, everybody. Where's the spam? Where's the otter spam, guys? Otter spam. My pronouns are Lord Otter, King Beaver. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Up over $1,200 today. Good patience. Good patience. Good patience. See if we can get follow through here. Entry 94.2. Look at that slap on Biddy, guys. Fucking spoon feed. You're welcome. Absolute spoonage. NASDAQ still bleeding out. SPY. Reclaim of orb, failed orb, breakdown, VWAP slap, continuation out here. Let's see if it holds. I mean, quick little scalp push out. Great trade, everybody. I mean, we're looking to come back to the highs here, so we're looking to come all the way back up to 90, $100. We're looking to come up to here. See if it plays out. Beautiful slap and go. Gotta watch the Adam and Steve pattern here if you are an Adam and Steve kind of guy. Whatever you're into, man. I don't really care. I identify as profitable. That's it. Got to watch the Adam and Steve here. Could break us down. So don't be married to the long. But I know you guys are all into that Adam and Steve pattern, right? You guys all be trading the Adam and Steve. Hey man, if you're trading the gay pattern, I mean, and you're making money, you do you, man. I ain't here to criticize your your trade setups. Adam and Steve for the win. 94.8, 94.8, 94.8. That's her. Let's put in 94.9. Just so we know where our stop loss is. Great trade, everybody. GG's in the chat. Gang, gang, gang. Man, maybe I should trade when I'm sick more often. Spoon feeding. Thank you, 585. God bless you, bro. You sound a lot better now. Rob, we get those oil can T100s in the bag. We'll feel a lot better, bro. I play T100s right now. I wonder if I should play T150s, though, in all honesty. I mean, I hit it pretty pure, but, like, my fucking accuracy is so bad lately with my irons. I hit a bomb iron. Like, I strike the ball really well. I hit it pure, but I hit it like a high draw. But if I play the draw, it goes straight. And if I don't play the draw, it draws. So I'm fucked either way. Come on, get through there, Solana. Let's do it. What do we got here? $1,000, 15 to the highs. Put a 1 in the chat if I should take more profits. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold it. More profits or hold it. 1's for more profits, 2 hold it. T150s, yeah. Like I definitely should have got a combo set, Rob. I should have got like my mind you, I hit a nasty 5-iron. Like I hit a 195 5-iron, like a rocket ship. But I don't have the same loft. So I can't get it up, baby. Army says take a little bit more profits. I'll listen to Army today. I'll be 90% out of this trade now. We bottom ticked the shit out of that, guys. Good job. Up 1,097. Oh, you couldn't give me the 1,100? Absolute douchebag, mate. Making money with Canadians, crazy world. Yeah, I mean, Canadians are we won't go down the political spectrum of Canada. Incredible trading day, guys. Incredible. Just happy. We'll see if we do push out of this VWAP slap. You know what's the worst about being sick is you don't type accurately. I'm like hitting caps locks and shit. I'm all over the place. Stopped out. Thank you for that, guys. Stopped out. Rotation down. Thank you for telling me to take my money. $1,100. 2 trades today. Given in advance. 1,100, 400. Great trading day so far. Welcome back, AlexOCrypto. I will I'm probably going to go and lie down after this, but I will come back and do strategy review with the Discord this afternoon. So hold on tight. Give me some time to to rest because my head cold is brutal. I got man flu for sure. I'm definitely man fluing the heck out of this right now. You're still holding short. Nice, MP. Good job, bro. Yeah, once I get stopped out, it's time to go up, isn't it? That 1100 sounded like Christopher Walken. Yeah. That's why you don't listen to me? Around what time do you think? I'll probably go and lie down for a couple hours. Yeah. And then I'll do the strategy review with everybody. So let's say, what is it, 10? Yeah, around noon, I'll come back. I'll come back and update you all. Of course it bounces here. NASDAQ getting its ass whooped this morning. Holy. Losing 29. SPY. Filling the gap, though. Higher high, higher low. Trying. SPY's trying here. ETH is going to be the tell. If ETH starts making higher highs and higher lows, you should be getting long. ETH is outperforming today. Solana's lagging. So Solana might be the play. If you get going on ETH, I would look for Solana to push out. Otherwise, we're looking, right now this says lower. Bitcoin, reclaim of orb trying to push out. So valid strategy here for longs on orb. Failed orb breakdown. Sweep of the low here, so still good. Beautiful VWAP slap trying to hold here. So I want to see higher highs, higher lows, and continuation up into the liquidity of the high at 79.5, 67. That would be, want to see it attack this high here, right? We just front ran it, which is kind of gay this morning. If we had taken it, I would say your short's very valid, but we didn't. So I would look for pushback here naturally. I would look for this thing to climb back up and to try and take this high. But at least rotation from lower orb to upper orb would be ideal, coming back into some of these order blocks here. Solana's bottoming out right now. This looks good for Sol. Nice push here for Bitcoin, Doji, and golfing. Continuation trade here. Nice pushback. Great longs, everybody. Good trade. That's just YouTube. YouTube, it's like the cheapest membership so that you can have emojis. That's what the YouTube membership is for. It's totally separate from the Discord. Hello from Greece. What's going on, Greece? I've been to Santorini. You're going to crash so hard. Yeah, I feel like absolute turd burglar right now. Good job, Wagon. GG's, bro. Good job, bro. I'm just a guy, man. I ain't no goat. I'm an otter at best. Just happy to be here. Trading's not easy. I mean, I take losses on the live stream too. I'm just happy that, it's working out today. Taking the trade, waiting for that slap. Strategy, patience, execution. This market's moving, so our job is to participate as safely as possible. That's generally the idea. VWAP slap absolutely printing right now, so that's a great trade for everyone. Solana potentially get going here if it can reclaim 95.2. That would be bullish. I'd be watching ETH. Like I said, watch ETH, break these highs, structure. ETH is holding the lows, right? It's holding this here, right? As long as ETH is above this line here, you're good to go. Equal lows, higher low, continuation out. Looking to get to 25.59, 25.60. Major support level here at 24.65. Yeah. Nice push for Biddy. Good continuation here. Solana, nice push. Can it keep going? Great trade, everybody. 2 trades. My last bit of trading has been really good. I've only had like a couple losses. Yeah, very good. Push. Push. Let's go. All right, that's enough out of me, guys. I'm done for today. I'll update the Discord later, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out here. I'm going to go and sleep or something. I don't know. I got to lie down. Very grateful. Like, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. I will be here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. Discord, I will update you right now. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.